I'm Brandy Austin with Geisha Patel, and we're going to talk about what you need to do if you're in a car accident. And the most important part is planning before an accident occurs. It's important to have an emergency roadside kit with an emergency triangle so people see that you've been in an accident, a flashlight in case it's dark outside. I think we've got mini tire pumps, some medical things, gauze, band-aids. Probably don't need the band-aids so much, but definitely the gauze in case someone's actually seriously injured. And then you got a cone here for warning purposes. And it's important to have a phone so you can call 911. So when an accident occurs, immediately call 911. Get off the road if you can. And take pictures with your phone. If you do not have a phone that takes pictures, you can get one of those cheap cameras,
film cameras, or
at the dollar store or CVS. Just to throw it in your car and keep it there so that you can take pictures of important information. What information do you need to collect from the other driver?
driver's licenses, first and foremost important, as well as insurance cards. You want to find out what their policy number is, and you, if possible, if you have a phone, take a picture of their the driver's license as well as the insurance card. You also want to make sure you get down a list of everybody who was sitting in the car, so you have a list of all of the witnesses, their phone number, their name, preferably their driver's license, so that we can get in contact with them later. You want to get down the make, model, and license plate of the car that you were that hit you, or you hit, vice versa, whichever happened.
Well, you also want to get a picture of the scene of the accident and damage to the vehicles if you can. And if you can, try to maybe sneak a picture of the driver or the passengers in the other vehicle in case they say that, you know, they weren't actually there, which has happened a time. That's happened before. Okay, so what happens after a car accident? So immediately following getting off the highway, taking pictures, collecting information, you may feel like you're fine, but your adrenaline is pumping.
Yes, and you may not feel any pain at that time, but maybe a couple of hours later, maybe a couple of days later, you're going to start feeling aches and pains, different parts of your body. It's important to get a medical evaluation, preferably that day, but if you can't do it that day, the next day, or sometime soon in the next few days.
So you can go to the hospital, the ER. If you don't want to take the big jump and go to an ER, you can always go to urgent care, or even your primary care physician is fine. Pretty much any medical provider, chiropractor, can do an evaluation. And if you don't have health coverage, you can always come into our office and we can see if we can work something out so that you can go get a medical evaluation, because you only have one opportunity to really collect on any damages you may have.
Also, you want to be sure your body is treated well. You want to get better because you want to have great quality of life, and you know, if you do not have that, you're going to be sad and unhappy.
Yeah. So next up, we're going to show you what it's like to come into our law office and kind of go over some of the questions that people typically ask. So let's go to that scene.
I'm so sorry, I didn't see the red light.
We should exchange information.
And I'll call 911.
Sounds fair. Thank you for calling. This is Yesha.
Hello, is this the Brandy Austin Law Firm?
Yes, this is the Brandy Austin Law Firm.
I would like to set up a 30-minute free consultation with y'all.
Great. Can you come in tomorrow, March 16th?
I'll be there. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Yesha.
Hello, my name is Maria.
You're here for your consultation today?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here for a personal injury.
Okay. And when did you get into a car accident?
I was in a vehicle accident yesterday, March 15th.
Okay, and what happened in this car accident?
So on my way to work,
Mm-hmm.
I was actually approaching a red light, stopped at the light. The driver behind me completely must have missed the light, and he rear-ended me.
Okay, and was the police called as a result of this?
Yes, ma'am, it was.
Okay, and did you take any pictures or witnesses or anything like that?
As a matter of fact, I have this folder that has the information that I was able to retrieve after the accident.
Okay, so I see that you have pictures in here as well as names of the people that were riding in, the other person's vehicle, the other person's name, his driver's license information, his insurance information, and the general police report number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's all in there for you.
Okay, well, I'll keep this right here for now. We will have to order your police report once it's made, and we can get started. Have you lost any time from work because of this accident?
Actually, yes, ma'am. Like I mentioned before, I was on my way to work in the morning of the accident. So I missed yesterday and this morning, as well as I had to follow up with my appointment from yesterday due to the accident.
Okay, so in this package, what I'm gonna give you is a list on which you will write down all of the days that you have missed from work, as well as how much do you get paid, and the dates and time and all of that great stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions at this time?
At this moment, I don't have any questions, but if I do, could I give you a comment?
Yes, of course you can.
Okay.
All right, so once you sign up with us today, we are gonna move your case into investigation, and once we investigate and figure out everything as far as what happened, I know you provided your side of the story, but we're gonna get the police report and all of the information, we're gonna take your pictures and all of that and start a claim.
Okay.
All right, so once you sign up with us, we will keep in contact with you and get additional information from you as necessary, as well as you have to keep us updated on your case. It's very important every time you move, and anytime you change your phone number or anything like that, you have to let us know so that we can keep in contact with you, okay?
Okay, sounds fair.
All right, thank you very much for
No
coming in
problem.
today.
It was a pleasure meeting you, ma'am.
All right, you have a great day.
You do as well. Thanks.
Bye-bye. Hi again, my name is Yesha Patel. As you saw today, an accident from the beginning all the way to time that it comes to us, and all of the questions and that we have when we get you in for a consultation. And for that reason, it is very important to get the information at the time of the accident that we provided to you earlier in the video. If you have any questions or concerns or would like a consultation with us, please give us a call at 817-841-9906. You can also email me at yesha@brandyaustinlaw.com. Brandy as the wine, Austin like the city, law is what we do. My name is Yesha Patel. Thank you very much.